You searched how to buy shares of Stak Inc. Stak Inc. is presented as an industrial technology firm that develops advanced hardware and trades on NASDAQ under the ticker STAK. This video is educational only and not financial advice, so research thoroughly and consider risks before investing. To buy stocks, you need a broker, and I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, typically with an identity document, and add funds to your balance before making purchases. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker STAK to find Stak Inc. Then select the NASDAQ listing that matches the company name to ensure you have the correct stock. On the asset page, check the brief company description and review the price chart to confirm the NASDAQ STAK listing corresponds to Stak Inc. Make sure the company details match what you expect before proceeding. Tap Invest or Buy. Enter the amount you want to invest. Choose Order options if available, then review and confirm the order. If the market is closed, your order may execute when trading reopens. If your account balance is insufficient, the platform will ask you to add funds before the purchase can be confirmed. Once the order executes, the Stak Inc. position will appear in your portfolio so you can monitor it. A link to the example broker is available in the description if you want to follow the same demonstration steps.